Time for mini news sesh. Yeah.
Hey there, and welcome to Designed by Wingnut Social, the mini news. Yay, we're back. We had 2 weeks there where I did not do mini news because we were wrapping up our Instagram for Interior Designers course, which you can find at wingnutsocial.com. Shameless plug. Seriously, though, our course, Instagram for Interior Designers, just launched. It's incredibly robust. There's 7 modules and 100 gazillion lessons, and it contains the exact same methodology and strategies that we use here for our interior design clients to attract real, living, breathing clients to give them money for interior design work on Instagram. It's real. It's not a myth. It happens. We just had 2 clients who signed up with us very recently who just got their very first clients from Instagram. They didn't think it was possible either. I mean, they believed, they hired us, and the proof is in the pudding. Threw money at them to do design work. Their marketing's paid for the whole entire year. The rest is gravy. Head on over to wingnutsocial.com to find out more information about that. You might be in a spot where you just can't afford it. You have someone in-house. You want to delegate it to them. Go ahead. It's worth every freaking penny. There's a lot of proprietary information in there and stuff that we're giving away, which I'm a little nervous about, right? It's like, should we be giving this away? But screw it. We did it anyway. Wingnutsocial.com. Okay, great. Now to today's mini news. I don't know about you, but I'm so tired of every time I post something. Well, it used to, because I did a trick that doesn't happen anymore. And that's what the show's about. You get the 4 or 5 promoted on Empire, whatever, or send us a pic or DM us at robot comments. It's so annoying. It is so annoying. We don't want to have to go and have that on our pages all day if we forget to check our engagement and people are seeing that. It's not a good look. Well, you guys might not know that Instagram has a setting to thwart all of that evilness. All of those robots. You know how I feel about robots. They're evil. And I'm just going to walk you through it really quickly today. And the steps will be in the show notes at wingnutsocial.com. Just check out this episode. And forgive me, I'm not 100% sure if this is only for business accounts. But if you don't have a business account, you should have a business account for your business. So there you go. That's a second bonus tip of the day. But what you want to do is you want to go to your Instagram profile page, right? And you're going to click those little hamburger marks, those little 3 lines in the upper right-hand corner, go to settings, right? And then go to privacy. And you're going to see in in my phone here, it says the very top, hidden words, harmful or offensive comments and messages. They don't have to be harmful. They don't even have to be offensive. They can just be damn right annoying. And we're going to scroll down and it's going to say manage custom words and phrases. There it is. And I'm going to view my list. I just kind of started this and I added 2 just for the sake of this podcast. And my list is like DM us or share it, right? So those are 2 phrases that now, because I have added this into my forbidden words list on Instagram, that if someone comments that on my post, it's going to be automatically hidden. So at the top line here, when you go in to do this, you're going to see, and I'd show it to you, but I don't think it's going to show up on the camera, will it? The top line there, you can just add all these little annoying words with a comma, whatever you don't want people commenting, even if it's something like, hey, want a date? If you're not about it, put that in there. And then done. Donezo. So if anybody spams you with those little robot posts, it's not going to show. It's going to be hidden. Nobody's going to see it. So we've thwarted the robot overlords. The artificial intelligence has to work a little bit harder to take over humanity. You're welcome. And that's it. That's our little quick tip. That and to go out and check out Wingnut Academy Instagram for interior designers, our very first course. We have SEO, search engine optimization for interior designers in the works, in the planning stages. So this is something that's going to come out every now and then with a course. And that's the plan as it is. And if you want to just kind of root around at Wingnut Academy, we have a library of webinars that we did last year, which we're going to bring back soon. We've been a little inundated with new clients here, so we're kind of scrambling to catch up. We have a bit of a wait list. Yeah, I hate that word, wait list. But, Quality over quantity, right? So we are looking to get back into that situation when we have the bandwidth for it, but there's some terrific webinars on there with tons of free information on how to optimize your photos for Instagram, all SEO for interior designers, like step-by-step SEO kind of situation over there, and tons more for the webinars that we did last year. If you attended them, you can see them again. If you didn't, lots of free knowledge. Not selling you nothing. It's all just free. I mean, if you want to come over to Wingnut Social and be a client, I'm happy about it, but you don't have to buy anything to watch these. All right. That is it for today's mini news sesh. I still got it. Remember, until next time, to get out there, get uncomfortable, and be great.
Mini news sesh. Yeah!